Are you tired of struggling with traditional strainers or messy draining techniques while preparing your favorite pasta dishes? This Lot45 Pasta Strainer with handle offers a practical and efficient solution for anyone who loves cooking delicious pasta, ramen, pho, and even vegetables or fries. Whether you're cooking for a large family or a professional restaurant, this 1-pound noodle strainer makes draining quick, easy, and convenient. Why choose the Lot45 Pasta Strainer? If you love to cook, the Lot45 Pasta Strainer with handle will quickly become an indispensable part of your kitchen. Here's why. Efficient. The direct drain design eliminates the need for transferring hot pots, reducing the mess and hassle in your kitchen. Versatile. Handles a variety of foods and cooking techniques, from pasta to deep frying to blanching vegetables. Durable. Made from high-quality stainless steel mesh for long-lasting, rust-resistant performance. Space efficient. The compact size ensures it fits most kitchen spaces and cookware. Easy to use. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort while lifting and draining your food, even when it's hot. Key features of the Lot45 Pasta Strainer with handle. Number 1. No sink draining design. Forget the hassle of moving pots from the stovetop to the sink to drain your pasta. The Lot45 Pasta Strainer lets you drain pasta directly over the pot, so you won't have to deal with extra dishes or water splashes. Simply lift the basket and let the water flow back into your stock pot while your pasta, pho, ramen, or veggies stay contained. This feature is especially helpful for large meals where you want to streamline your cooking process. No more mess. Reduce kitchen clutter and cleanup time. Hassle-free drainage. No need to move pots around or worry about spilled liquids. Number 2. Large capacity for serving multiple people. Designed to accommodate up to 1.5 kilograms of pasta, this strainer basket is perfect for both small and large batches. Whether you're cooking spaghetti, ramen, pho, or even vegetables, the Lot45 Pasta Strainer can easily handle your ingredients, making it great for both family dinners and catering needs. Perfect for family meals. Serve up to 4 people with one batch. Versatile usage. Works with a wide variety of dishes, from pasta to deep frying. Number 3. Ergonomic handle for comfortable use. One of the standout features of the Lot45 Pasta Strainer is its rubberized vinyl-coated handle. Designed for comfort and ease, the handle makes lifting and transferring the basket safe and easy, even when the contents are hot. Comfortable grip. Provides a secure and non-slip hold while handling hot water or oil. Heat protection. The rubberized coating ensures your hand stays cool while using the basket. Number 4. Compact and efficient size. With a height of 6.75 inches, 17.1 centimeters, and a diameter of 4.4 inches, 11.2 centimeters, the Lot45 Pasta Strainer is compact enough to fit into most standard cooking pots, making it ideal for both residential and commercial kitchens. Space-saving design. Store it conveniently without taking up much space. Fits a variety of pots. Works with 1 to 4 quart, 0.9 to 3.8 liter pots, ensuring compatibility with most kitchen cookware. Number 5. Durable and long-lasting stainless steel construction. The Lot45 Pasta Strainer is built from premium stainless steel mesh, ensuring durability and strength. This high-quality material not only ensures long-lasting use, but also makes cleaning quick and easy. After use, simply pop the strainer in the dishwasher, and it's ready for the next cooking adventure. Rust-resistant, durable for repeated use without the risk of corrosion. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and maintain for hassle-free convenience. Number 6. Versatile functionality for multiple cooking techniques. While this strainer is ideal for pasta, it's also a fantastic tool for blanching vegetables, deep frying foods like French fries, or even rinsing fruits. The Lot45 Pasta Strainer isn't limited to just one purpose. It's a multi-purpose tool that can handle various kitchen tasks with ease. Deep frying. Perfect for draining fried food like fries or onion rings. Blanching vegetables. Use it to blanch vegetables like green beans or broccoli. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Lot45 Pasta Strainer? Absolutely. If you want a high-quality, versatile strainer that will make your cooking easier, faster, and mess-free, the Lot45 Pasta Strainer with handle is an excellent investment. It's a practical, well-designed tool that simplifies kitchen tasks, enhances your cooking efficiency, and offers great value for money. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or cooking for a crowd, This stainless steel strainer will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.